Hello guys, so I'm going to be teaching you how to make this yummy delicious barbecue fish. This recipe is like I don't know what to say. The recipe is nice. So for the pepper, we have this green pepper, the whatever they call that pepper, then garlic and onions. We are going to match it together like that. Then add your this thing is too fast. Ginger powder, your nut cube, just use one. Salt, turmeric, oregano, mix, fry. I added my fish seasoning because you know what? Why not? So I'm going to cut my fish and whatever. This thing, I don't know. This place, I don't know what it looks like. It looks like something. I don't know. Let me not say what I don't know. So I added barbecue seasoning to it. Then I rubbed the fish, like rub it very well. Added it in the mouth everywhere. I made incisions around the fish, so I just like filled the sauce into the incision like that. Press it together. Rub it like I'm rubbing my sugar daddy's belly. So I rub it, massage it in it, you know. So I rubbed it like that, rubbing it, so it will matter very well. You get me? So this really good. I know what I was doing in that place. Just close your eyes. Then I wrapped it in my foil and baked it for 30 minutes. Voila! This is the end product. I hope you try it. Thank you. Bye bye.